How to delete TikTok account. Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and short tutorial video. In this video we are going to learn how you can delete TikTok account. To do this, first of all you have to open up your TikTok app, and after that go to your profile. And once you are here, now at the top right side you will get three lines, so tap on these three lines. And then at the bottom side you will get settings and privacy, so tap on settings and privacy. And now tap on deactivate or delete account. And now click on delete account permanently. And now TikTok will ask you why you're leaving TikTok. If you want to give the reason to TikTok, then you can select any option that you want. Or if you don't want to select any reason, then tap on skip. And now at the bottom, if you delete your account, you will lose the services above permanently. So if you delete your account, then you're gonna lose this service permanently. So tap on here to agree this, and then tap on continue. And after that, TikTok will suggest you to download your TikTok data. If you want to download your TikTok data, then you can tap on review request, or you can click on here, then continue. And then again tap on continue. And now a code will be sent to your phone number, which phone number is associated with your this TikTok account. Then you have to type this code here. After typing your code here, then you have to tap on delete account button. As soon as you tap on this delete account, then your TikTok account will be deleted permanently. So following this simple process, you can delete your TikTok account permanently. I hope you understand the full process. If you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.